Hey everybody, it's NCP. Just hadn't been in a video in a while, so I thought I'd give you guys an update. The chickens, or chooks as they're called, is getting a little bigger. I had a grit feeder down here. Just an empty bottle, a can. I think that's tuna. Is that tuna can?
Yes.
Yeah, tuna can. And just put on the zip ties, and I don't know, they emptied it like twice. Put a wire loom on this because they're getting big and they're hitting the camera and pecking it, so I had to re-secure it with magnets down there on the battery. And I'll have to adjust it after we get everything back together. They kept knocking the roost off. So they get under it, so I put some screws in there just to keep it on each side. And that's about it. That's kind of the update. Now, tomorrow, I got a thing in the mail that lets me, make bleach from water. And it's USB powered, so we can do an off-grid demonstration, bleh, and see if it actually works. We'll see. That's tomorrow. I guess I could do it tonight in the dark since it's got a battery here, so it could be off-grid. Off-grid chicken coop water purifier.
Oh.
That sounds like E. coli in a bottle. Anyway, yeah, so just a real quick update, guys, on what's been going on here. It's just nothing. We're just trying to keep up on yard work. It's rough. There's just a lot. So much yard work. And then we're giving them the extra fruit that wasn't right. And that is a blonde bell pepper. And why it's red, I don't know, but it's blonde. And basically, that's pretty much it. I might have to do a little heating element down there for the water to keep it from freezing, so I don't know. And then we'll see what's up. And I guess their feeder's underneath. Yeah, it's feeder. But that's up. This is NCP. I sent you guys a heads up, and mostly just to say, hey, I'm still here. I've just been really busy, and I don't want the channel to die, so we'll see what happens. Work's kind of slowing up now, so I'm gonna have more time. Hopefully, we'll see. But we'll see. But anyway, that's all. This is NCP. Hope y'all have a great day. Basically, the video is to keep my channel alive. Talk about the grit feeder. Now, when they start laying, I'll have another one. I'll make a dual one together that will do oyster shells as well. And it's on the door, so it's easy to open and get to. See, he just took a peck of it. They get the grit as they need. See, they're getting it. No, he's not getting it, but he's below. But we'll see what happens. I don't think any of these are roosters, but that Blue Andalusian has some big tail feathers there, and that white one, his tail feathers kind of go down, so I don't know. I don't see any spurs on them, but one of the black Andalusians tends to eyeball me a lot when they come out, so I'm not sure. But we'll see. I think it's good to have at least one rooster. Then I'm going to let them free range more. I let them out for a couple hours a day, but I'm worried about hawks, so that needs to be addressed. But for right now, I'll just watch them. Like I said, that's pretty much it. I just wanted you guys to know everything's great, and everything's good. Everybody's happy. Everybody's healthy. I hope you're all happy and healthy as well. And happy Thanksgiving, which is coming up. But I'll do a video tomorrow anyway, so it won't matter. All right, guys. NCP. Have a great one. NCP out.